Chapter 4: How to use the keyboard. Topics covered. Types of keys. Can you observe the different keys? Let us study them one by one in detail. Types of keys. There are different types of keys on a keyboard. Each key gives a special instruction to the computer. Alphabet keys. The keys which have alphabets marked on them are called alphabet keys. On pressing each alphabet key, an alphabet is typed on the screen. Pressing the key for a long time prints the alphabet repeatedly. Cyber bits. A typewriter is very similar to a keyboard. The arrangement of keys on the typewriter helps to use fingers of both hands for typing. Numeric keys. The keys which have numbers marked on them are called numeric keys. They are also known as number keys. A keyboard has two sets of number keys, one on the top row and the other on the right-hand side of the keyboard. Spacebar key. Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to insert blank spaces between words, letters and numbers. Enter keys. Look at the enter keys on the keyboard. We press the enter key to move to the next line while typing. There are other keys on the keyboard too, like Alt key, Ctrl key, Shift key, Tab key. They give commands to the computer. We will study about them in higher classes.